Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have a NHL cap presented by Famous Thinking. Sneakers.famousthinking.com. 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 That is where you can find NHL hats. That is the sponsor. Let's take a look. Hats and caps unboxings. And today we have an NHL Snapback New Era 950. Let's take a look at what we have in. There it is. Minnesota Wild. Team came into play in 2000 as an expansion team. The Minnesota Wild. They were formerly known as the Minnesota North Stars, but as that franchise left, years go by, and you get, they get a new team, and you get the Minnesota Wild. The Wild have not been really successful since coming back to the NHL or Minnesota. They haven't won a Stanley Cup yet. It's not easy winning a championship, clearly. Extremely difficult. But the success isn't even there, through the regular season or the playoffs. It's not been easy. Shot. Let's do it up close and personal look. You see where that circle, you see the trees right there. You get the Wild back on the forestry, and you see this circle right here near the top where I'm kind of like zooming into the little lower half. That's like an iridescent. I don't think, maybe the camera will pick it up. I'm not sure, but that's like an iridescent threading on there. It kind of glows, and it's like a light green. The threading turns into. It's absolutely beautiful in hand, and the minor details like that just make a cap absolutely beautiful. I love that touch. I just don't think it's. You can actually, let's take a look. Let me zoom it out here. Strum that L banjo. You can kind of see it, and you kind of can't. It would have to hit the light perfectly. It's just difficult to. This is a beautiful ad. This is not, and this is like a forestry pine dark green on the edging of where the Wild is, the logo. You can see the silver at the top, and then you got that dark. That's like a dark green. Very beautiful actually. So let's take a look at other details of the cap. Working with a snapback, it is 950. Minnesota Wilds. A little bit of a close-up shot of that. V, and then you have the holographic NHL sticker underneath for official merchandise, of course. So this is a polyester cap. This is a one-size-fits most as we go through the guts, and this is the official product of the NHL. Inside we got the 950. Personally, big fan of this hat. When I initially saw it, I was like, okay, it's kind of your average gray hat. Nothing. It's not that. But you just see the color contrast, and this is really in hand. I don't think this video is going to do it justice, or pictures for that matter. In hand, this is a beauty of a cap. A little bit of a different tone in the dome right there with the dark gray, and then you get the lighter true gray per se right there. And the colors of this logo and that iridescent green that I don't think you kind of see it right there. And this, I can't. It's hard to point out. Damn it! It's hard to pick up on camera. It's one of those things. This is one of those caps that you just in hand. Pictures don't do it justice. Leave it at that. So if you like these type of caps and more, you want to go to hats.famousthinking.com to purchase NHL hats. Free shipping to the USA. Shipping worldwide. Biggest selection of NHL hats out of any other website in the world. Period. If you like this type of content, subscribe. And we will catch you on the next one. Have yourself a wonderful day.